Now this question here is asking us to find the angle DAC. DAC is this angle here. So how can we find this? Please pause and try the question yourself. What we can do is we can first look at AC. AC is the diameter, so it's a straight line. We can easily find the inside angle. We know the whole angle here is 180. If this part is 100, so this part is 80. That's very good. Let's just move this away. Now, from the circle theorems, if we focus on this part here, we know angle ABC should be a right angle because of the angle on the circumference. It's made on a diameter, so it's 90 degrees based on this theorem here. Every angle that's made on the diameter and it's on the circumference is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. That's very good. Now looking at this blue triangle, we can easily find this angle. Can we? Just focus on the triangle. Let's just move everything else. Now, the sum of the angles in a triangle are 180. So can we find this angle? Yes, we can. So it's just 180 minus 90 minus 25. And that gives you 68. How is this helping us? Let's look back at the shape and I'll show you. Now focus on the blue part again. I'll just make it all blue. Now focus on this part here, the moving part. Now this is this theorem here. This angle and this arc are sharing some type of relationship. They are sharing this arc. So based on the circle theorems, if you have such shape, two angles on the circumference and sharing the same arc, they are equal. So if this is 65, this is 65 because they are sharing this nice arc. That's very good. Now, do you think we can find x now? If we just look at this triangle here, we can find x. How can you find it? That's yours. Please try it, finish the question, write your answer in the comments, and let's see how you got it. Next question.